So as you can see, we're in Chandler, Arizona, Ohio State. and we're gonna just be chilling here while the rain, and you might hear some lightning. And the clouds today will just be moving over here. Okay, my haircut is an example as it. So if you see and look at the
Damn,
weather,
big forehead.
okay. So like basically we're just I'm stunned. So we're gonna watch the clouds get over here, right? And it's just gonna start pouring like crazy. We already did a video on TikTok if you know his channel. But yeah.
All right, then let's do this. All right, let's go.
Sit it up right there.
Just right there.
Yeah, literally. That will literally watch the rain for us.
Watch the rain for us. That's good. It's slipping.
No,
Just
it's good. It's good. Trust me.
No.
No, there. That's
I
good.
bet. Get out the way, bro. It's a YouTube video. Oh, it's lit.
Okay, let's do it. Let's wait for it.
I found a toothbrush on the floor. If you know what I mean. Let's go, broskies. Alright, we're gonna play a quick game. What should we play? Johnny, I'm gonna post it on YouTube. Don't make me out. We're gonna play a quick game. Where's the ball?
Okay.
That was just a little ball.
What little? Oh yeah, that thing's lost. It's in heaven.
I bet. We're gonna play a quick game of hot potato. Ready?
Hurry bet. No, that thing hurts though.
Ready? Hot potato.
Hot potato, hot potato, potato.
Hurry up! Hot potato, hot potato, hot potato. Yeah. 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 Up and over. Oh. Let's go. Hot potato. Hot potato. Hot potato. Hot potato. Is this thing still recording? Is this thing still recording? You guys still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Yeah. I bet. Let's go. Let's go. Now we're vlogger now. Yo, it's not raining.
Yeah, it's gonna start raining. Do you see those clouds right there?
Hey, let's go run outside. It's not raining as much. Let's go. Come on. It's not raining.
Let's go.
Let's go, broskies.
Before the storm hits, we're gonna be beating our beat to the wind.
Oh crap. We're still. Oh, look.
Lord have mercy. We must stay focused. Oh my! Wait! That's a supercell storm. That's a supercell.
That's a what storm?
So you know where storms that tornadoes come from?
Yeah.
That is one of those. Do you see it moving too?
Oh, I can see it moving. That's mad crazy, bro.
That's wild. We actually should film this until you have to go.
I am feeling this. It's already been 3 minutes. I'm feeling this at 30.
No, more than that. 2 hours.
I bet. Oh crap. What's up? Just seeing myself now. Hey, get the basketball.
Yeah, let's hit some shots.
Hide in their closet. This dude's over here talking about side. Ready? That boy's not good.
Okay.
Go. The trees are blooming. Bro, all that water came off.
Finally!
Get in the ball. Here, hold the camera. Hold the camera. Here. Hold it like that. Sorry, you're recording one side. Bet. Oh yeah.
Nah. As you guys can see, that crap's moving.
Hey, record me. Still recording. How do you think your fingers are in the way?
Oh shit! Car.
Wait, how about me? Let's go. Oh crap, it's another one. Oh, oh yeah.
Bro, that. Oh! Look at that. Holy crap, we gotta catch this.
We're catching.
Bro, we gotta get closer to this. Holy crap.
On the phone.
No, we gotta actually.
Still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording. You got it. Oh my god. Well, let me get closer on this camera. Oh, it's literally moving like shit. Holy crap. Should we go onto the porch? And just in case you want the camera? No?
Hello.
Alright, let's go back to the porch. Run.
I thought we were playing basketball.
Okay, I'll get a shot.
Yo, my hands are so wet on this phone now. Broskies. Oh crap. Let's go. It's not raining. You gotta play.
Oh my god.
Bro, you're trash. Make it. W's. He missed. He missed. Hey, record me. Hey, should we do 1v1? Just gonna put the camera down?
No.
Yeah.
No, wait.
Yeah.
No, let's not do it one time.
Alright, hold the ball. Hold the camera.
Here, let's see. Let's do you now.
I bet. Thank you so much. Make it 3. Damn, I suck.
Yeah, as you can see, guys. Look at this. I'll put my camera hella close. Look at all that fucking storm. Hold on. We posting this on YouTube. Remember to like out to our channel. Yeah, long video. Alright. I gotta get Jimmy.
Your fingers are in the way, bro. Worst cameraman ever.
I'm literally following you. Like wherever it shows you.
Can't see. The wind's blowing my hoodie away. It's not good.
Oh, guys. Yo, brother, there's a car. Red car coming. Oh, it stopped. It's fine. You good. Hold on, let me catch a picture. Here, let me get a picture of the storm real quick.
You're not taking pictures.
I'm still getting a video. I'm just still looking at it. Because we are doing an hour-long video. This is going to be like one of the longest videos you ever done.
Alright, wait. You're still recording. Zoom out.
Okay.
Let's go.
Woo! Come on. Ah, dang.
Hey,
Woo.
oh,
Close.
I'm really trash.
Oh my god.
That's bad. Got it. Put the camera up. You gotta always hold it up. Pass.
Yeah! Let's go. Oh, I got a whole grip. Oh, it's raining now. There's raindrops now.
Oh yeah.
It's actually starting to rain. Yo, should we
Go
go?
back in. Go back
Yo,
in.
yeah, we gotta go back in, bro. Here, get under. Where you wanna go? Do you wanna go?
Give me the camera.
I bet. Alright, let's go.
Sorry, been 9 minutes. It's 10. We're out. But we gotta see something first.
No, we're not wrapping the video at 10 minutes.
Oh no, we're gonna wrap it at 15 or 20.
More than that, bro. Like an hour. Junior, hour. Let's do an hour.
Hour?
Yeah, bro.
Broskies, what are you babbling
Bro,
about?
I've done a 2-hour video before.
Yeah, that should. Nah, I suck.
I got a wet ass jacket right here. It's warm now. A little bit wet though. Bro, it's remember
Oh my
Junior
God.
and I had to run in the rain and go get it.
Oh, bro, let's go ahead and go
Bro,
get
I was
this
like
jacket right
Bro, I was
now.
like this. packet over there, scooter over there, my basketball over there. Yeah. But my rain looks like it's his mom would slap the white out of it.
Let's go back outside. It looks like it's just sprinkling.
Let's not go back inside. No.
I say outside.
Hold on. Give me a minute. Cause look, it's got way closer. It's right there.
Where? I don't see it. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that bad boy coming up. You gotta be careful with your phone in a minute.
Say it there.
Well, if this video gets 2K views, we'll start making more videos.
Man, you crazy. This is my first video.
No, it's not, dog.
It is.
Oh, wait, really?
Yeah.
First step. Oh, so you do shorts.
Yeah. Alright, hold up. Let's see what's up.
My man, I'm about to cook some water.
I'm cooking you, boy.
Alright, let me get it. No, I'm joking.
Alright, cook.
That's my dad get it.
Yo, we should ride the scooters outside right now.
No,
Should we? Are you crazy?
Should we actually?
Let's go. Let's do it. What happened to the blue one?
One's back there. It's gonna be wet like booty, so.
Let's go. I'm recording. You can't even steer. Oh crap.
So I'm gonna record.
Right. No, I'm good. I can ride with one hand. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm slipping so hard right now.
Yeah, same. Usually.
Let's go. Go.
Alright,
Huh.
In a little bit, when I'm in here, I'm gonna have you, like, you can't go down the street or anything, right?
okay.
Alright, you know. We'll do, okay. Can you lay your sweatshirt out so it dries?
Yeah.
Instead of all bunched up? Lay it out kind of flat on it.
Let's go. Is it mobbing? Whee! Sheesh. Let's go. Where he at? There he is. I can't zoom. I only have one hand. A little bit of rain. It's pouring right now. What up? Hold up. Hold up, I'm coming. Oh my god. Oh, that storm's really bad. Let's go. I don't know. Just decided to record a video. Oh yeah, I was the one decided. Oh crap, I'm slipping. Oh my god, look at this. Johnny, where'd he go? Woo! I saw that slip.
No, my mom said in a little bit we're gonna have to stay
I know.
to the store. So,
Home, a place where I can go. Recording on my phone. Graphics better not be bad. Let's go that way. Let's go that way. Come on. I know. Don't try to turn as much. Where you at? Oh yeah. Scooter time. Whee! Oh my god. Scooter's like going crazy. What are you doing? Huh?
should we go back?
Yeah. Let's go back. But you're gonna have to record me.
Is that recording?
Tornado.
Nah, look at him moving though.
I don't see nothing moving.
Look at, do you see that thing? That looking pyramid looking thing?
Huh? Pyramid. See a pyramid?
Like, it's more handful, bro. That's
It's the sun is out.
could have a tornado, dog.
Bro, there's no tornadoes in Arizona.
Why do I just try to be scared?
Hey, record me real quick. I'm gonna slide on the thing. I bet. Ready? I'm gonna come around. You better come. Alright. Oh. Bunny hop for the vlogs.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Huh.
Bro, do you see that? I'm recording you right
See
now.
the sun.
No, look at that. Look at all those clouds over there, boy. Those are some big boy ones. Those are
Oh crap.
hit us in like 20 minutes.
Bunny hop. Hey.
Yeah,
Hey, you hold the cameras right around
Should we
here?
actually do this for like 40, like an hour or two?
Nah,
It's our first video.
I'm probably just gonna do it for 30 minutes. Content, you know?
Why not? But like, there's gonna be a storm hitting here in like 20 minutes.
Yeah, I know, but you're recording down, bro.
Okay, but what I'll do it. I'll do perfect recording, and I'll help you edit.
Oh, you're a cameraman. Hold your scooter right here if you're gonna keep riding with it. Hold your fingers right there. You're gonna ride with the scooter one hand. Be careful on the turns, bro.
Oh, I know.
Camera up.
Oh my god. Yeah, I can't do that.
Yeah, this is.
Here, no, it's fine. Or do you want to be the cameraman?
I am the cameraman. I bet I'll do it.
Yo, bro, not gonna lie. If the storm lasts like for like 2 hours, you're gonna do it for 2 hours. Just for the content, I want this boy to get like 100K so we can have a plaque.
A plaque? That's crazy.
You know the 100K plaque though, right?
Very good boy. My back's itchy. Hold up.
That's what every
I'm out of here. I'm leaving. Leo. First video. You know what's up. Let's go. Let's go. Got my homie Johnny, you know. Where? I see the sun. Let's go then. Scared cat. I see no rain. Come on, there ain't no tornadoes in over here where we live.
Yeah, they are.
They are?
Yeah, there's tornadoes over there.
No, they ain't. Get the slippy slide. Whee! Let's go.
Well, there might be a rainstorm.
Oh, snaps. But,
There might be a rainstorm, so that might be.
yeah. Sheesh. Yo, look at the theme. Hold up. Almost spinning fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster. So, what's the deal?
Yo, bro, me on toothbrush, camera.
Toothbrush. Hey, calm down. Ooh. Hey, try to get that perfect. Didn't you get it perfect?
Oh
that way with
yeah,
both
let's
hands?
do that.
Hold on,
Let's
go
do it
again.
Let's try to do it 5 times in a row.
Oh, crap. I'm like looking at the camera. Oh, come on, bro.
Oh, that was.
Put the camera down here.
Yeah.
Oh, I bet. Ready? Get. Come on, a little farther. Come on, a little farther. Come closer to me. Yeah, see? Yeah, we good. Alright, ready? Nah, bro.
Oh. Let's do it 5 times.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, my hands hurt so much.
Let's restart. Let's do it with the other hand.
This one's hurt more. Bro, do it right. Do this hand.
Oh.
That was solid, but it wasn't that fast.
Oh. Oh.
Come on, bro, do it right.
Okay.
Go farther. Go more farther. Hey. I want Oh, it's getting sturdy. Get out of the way. Do it again.
Oh.
Yeah.
Woo.
Oh. Hey. Alright. One more. One for good luck.
Oh.
I'm scared. Stop. Get farther, little more. Alright, bet.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Same.
Woo.
Oh, look at that.
Throw him in the water.
No. Wait, let's actually watch out. Look at. Do you want to watch it, guys?
Oh, look at this sponge.
Let me see.
I got more on it.
Like cream.
Oh, my homies. I like curry.
Oh crap.
Yo, it's starting to get stormy right now.
Jeez.
It's starting to get stormy.
I'm deleting that from the video. Fingers in the way.
What?
Finger was in the way. Alright, wait. Shoe check. Let's check those shoes. Are they dirty, they wet, or are they crusty and musty? Or they dusty?
We all got them dusty right now.
Alright, Ben, let's see what we got. Nikes, high tops, red
Yeah.
and black. I don't know what they call. I forgot.
But I want to show you the crusty part about it.
Oh, that's crusty. Alright, let's see more. What we got? We got red Converse, high socks, you know?
Cumbers.
Red Converse, All Stars. Bet.
Those are the first
Crusty.
basketball shoes.
Dusty. Yeah, these are the first basketball. These were before they knew.
Whoa.
What? That's a truck. Just drove by.
Yeah, no, but it's getting kind of. So yeah. Oh, that's good.
Hey, try whistle. Like I do. The other way.
How do you do it?
Right tongue back. That's my pinkies. Here, Corby.